Dear all, in this video we see the maple syrup urine disease. It is an autosomal recessive disorder affecting branch chain amino acids. It is one of the type of organic acidemia. The condition gets its name from the distinctive sweet odor of affected infants' urine, particularly prior to diagnosis and during times of acute illness. In humans, there are four genes produce proteins that work together as the branch chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase complex. The complex is essential for breaking down the amino acids leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Mutation in any of these genes reduces or eliminates the function of the enzyme complex, preventing the normal breakdown of these amino acids. As a result, these amino acids and their byproducts build up in the body. Because high levels of these substances are toxic to the brain and other organs, this accumulation leads to the serious medical problems associated with maple syrup urine disease. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.